Because today's problem is write a C program to calculate average of five number. So let's start. Hash include studio.h int main int a b c d e n evg printf enter the marks of five subject scanf percentage d percentage d percentage d percentage d percentage d and percentage d. Now here we write ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c comma ampersand d comma ampersand d. So e, and here we write a v g is equal to bracket open a plus b plus c plus d plus e, and here divided by 5. Now here printf average equal to percentage d comma avg, return 0. So let's run it. So it is showing error because we have not put here semicolon. So now let's run it. So here it is asking enter the marks of first step. So enter 45, 56, 45, 23, 12 and 67. So it is giving us average 36. So guys, thank you for watching the video.